It gets better too. Check this out. It's still intact. It's there. I don't know if you can see it, guys. But... Got the lip back on. It's kind of warpy, but good for now. I'm gonna order a new one for the car show that I'm going to. DRTUNED performance, made in China. This right here is the best lip you can get, bro. Nah, I'm joking. Anyway, I used to have this lip back in the day. This was the first model lip that I got for my car until they came out with the newer style for my gen Mazda 6. And to be honest, the one that I have on the car that I've bought a few times already because it's broke a million times is just too big. I remember this one being a lot slower. Oh my god. My car's slow. I remember this one being a lot smaller, subtle. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one on the car. I think this is gonna look a lot better. You guys let me know what you think when I have it on the car. Again, there will be a link in the description below if you want to purchase this same exact lip. It's not that expensive. I think it was like $40. I've spent $40 probably like 8 times already because the lips broke so many times. So just keep that in mind if you're lowered. I drive the car like it's a monster truck. I forget that it's lowered, so I hit everything. That's just me. So don't be like me, be like you, and drive better. All right, so this is the original lip. This is the one that I'm replacing. It got f***ed up here. It's actually not that different. It just sits more into the car. It doesn't stick out as much of like this one. This one's way more aggressive than this. I'm gonna take this one off. Look how bad this got fucked up. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I could get some zip ties in just to keep it, just in case I want to put it back on. I could probably repaint it. The old lip, you can see how crusty it is. This is the new lip. It looks a lot better, nice and glossy. So let's just stick in more. This is these little LEDs that I put under here. They kind of got fucked up when I was driving back from Orlando, so that's why it looks like garbage. The whole wiring harness and everything got ripped out. When you put this on, you want to line this up to the fender the best way you can. Put one screw in, have it nice and tight, and go to the other side, do the same exact thing, and then you want to put like 1 or 2 here, then go to the other side, do 1 or 2, and kind of just meet into the middle. Put as many screws as you want, even though there's only 3 holes, but just make more if you want more security for the front lip, because these things break and they pop off so easily. This screw on, I have the box holding it up, and I have this screw on. It's so much smaller than this one. It looks weird. This is the new lip. It doesn't, I mean, I feel like it fits a lot better because it hugs the lines of the front bumper pretty well. It doesn't stick out as much, so I'm hoping this lip won't break, and it doesn't come down as much either. So again, there's going to be a link for this in the description below if you want to purchase the same lip, and I will be making a little cinematic of it. I do miss the other one because it did look a lot more aggressive, which was cooler, but this will do for now until this one breaks. If you guys have any questions, just drop a comment below and I'll answer them as quick as I can.